Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Gulfport local and long-distance movers near me. Hiring a professional moving company to help would be better for your move to Gulfport. When you do this, you don't have to worry about the complexities of your move. At 3Movers, we are known for transporting belongings in one trip, so if you're following a specific timeline, you don't have to worry about missing it. This is one of the significant advantages of hiring us for your move because we make sure we save you the stress and even the inconvenience of multiple trips back and forth. Whether you're moving locally or out of state or country doesn't matter. We make sure that we pack your belongings well and make no mistakes so we don't have to be back for another trip. 3Movers is the best moving company to hire for your long-distance move in Florida, and we will ensure that every aspect of your move is smooth and successful. All you have to do is reach out to us. A long-distance moving company like 3Movers knows how to efficiently load and unload your belongings and manage space in the truck. When moving, there is an art that loading and unloading belonging involves, and we at 3Movers are very skilled in that aspect. We know how important it is to save space when moving, so we always consider that. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Gulfport moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.